Verbal Reasoning Session Day 5. In this video lecture, I will discuss some rules about correct use of verb. So let's discuss some key points. Number 1 is if a sentence includes words like everyday, daily, often, always, then the sentence actually of present indefinite, and then you have to use the verb first form and you simply don't use the helping verb. For example, he go to school every day, he goes to school every day. In these two sentences, you will not use go, as you know that with he, she, it, you can use ses when you are using the verb. Correct sentence is he goes to school every day. Example number 2. We often writing a letter. This is incorrect as we simply use here present indefinite tense, so we often write a letter. Key point number 2 is use present indefinite tense for habitual action in routine wise work. For example, he drive a taxi. This is incorrect. The sentence could be he drives a taxi. We had smoke, but the correct sentence is we smoke. Point number 3 is if sentence include last month, last year, last day or ago, then this includes the past indefinite tense, then you will use the verb second form. For example, she comes here yesterday. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is she came here yesterday. You are using the verb second form. I buy this car last year. I bought this car last year. This is incorrect. Bought is the second form of buy, so you are using this one. This sentence is correct. Key point number 4 is any sentence that includes time of the verb like day or time, then that is also from the past indefinite tense. So we can see here the example. We go to Lahore on Friday. We went to Lahore on Friday. So this is incorrect and this sentence is the correct one. Next example, he reaches here in the afternoon. This is incorrect. He reached here in the afternoon. This is the verb second form that you use in past indefinite tense. So this sentence is the correct one. Next is key point number 5. If sentence includes tomorrow, next day, next month, next year, this sentence is of future indefinite tense and you will use verb first form with shall or will. For example, they learn their lesson tomorrow or they will learn their lesson tomorrow. So this is incorrect and this one is correct. You are using will and learn. Next example, I construct a house next year. I shall construct a house next year. So this one is the correct one. Key point number 6. If sentence include is, am, are, at present, now, then this actually belongs to present continuous tense. So you will use the verb first form with ing. For example, he is write a letter now. This is incorrect. He is writing a letter now. You are using the verb first form with ing. So this is the correct sentence. Next example is you are learn music at present. No, this is incorrect. You are learning music at present. So this one is the correct sentence. Next is key point number 7. If sentence include was, were, then, at that time, then that belongs to past continuous tense. So you will use verb first form with ing. For example, I was going to school then. This is the incorrect sentence. I was going to school then. So this is the correct sentence. Next example, we were play tennis. This is incorrect and the correct sentence is we were playing tennis. That's all. The exercise related to this video lecture is given in the description below. You can check that.